Welcome in, everyone. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today. Listen, if you're a solopreneur, you already know the daily grind, right? You're wearing a dozen hats. You're the CEO, the marketing department, the customer service rep, and honestly, probably the janitor too. It is totally exhausting, and burnout is a very, very real threat. But today, we're going to fix that. In this explainer, my main goal is to completely demystify ChatGPT for you. We're going to strip away all that intimidating tech jargon and turn this incredible technology into a highly practical, everyday asset for your business. Okay, let's dive right in. Now, are you feeling totally overwhelmed by all the AI buzz lately? Well, you're definitely not alone. Everywhere we look, people are talking about artificial intelligence, algorithms, and machine learning. And when you're already carrying the heavy burden of running a one-person show, hearing about complex new tech can just feel like one more massive mountain you have to climb. It's intimidating. But what if I told you that you really don't need a computer science degree to make this work for you? So what actually is it? Put simply, ChatGPT is basically your brand new virtual assistant. Think of it as a digital mini-me that understands and generates remarkably human-like text based entirely on your conversations with it. You can completely forget the scary sci-fi concepts. This is literally just an incredibly accessible, friendly intern who processes information in milliseconds, never complains about the workload, and crucially, never needs a coffee break. And the absolute best part? Using it is as simple as typing words into a chat box. All right, here's our quick roadmap for this explainer. We're going to cover 1. The ROI of ChatGPT, 2. Building your AI vocabulary, 3. Mastering the perfect prompt, 4. Advanced AI tools, 5. Knowing your boundaries, and 6. Your first steps today. Let's get to it. Section 1. The ROI of ChatGPT. We're talking automating and saving. Because look, as a business owner, you absolutely need to know this isn't just some shiny new toy. Any tool you adopt has to actually pay off, right? So let's run the shocking math behind it. Let's be very conservative here and say ChatGPT saves you just 5 hours a week of administrative busy work, content creation, or brainstorming. Over a year, that's 260 hours saved. If you value your time at a pretty modest $50 an hour, that equates to $13,000 worth of your time saved annually. And keep in mind, the basic version of ChatGPT is completely free, and the premium version tops out at around $240 a year. I mean, that is an astronomical return on investment. But hey, let's bring those numbers down to earth for a second with a real human success story. Sarah T., a solopreneur coach, hit the nail on the head. She said, "Tasks that used to eat up my entire morning now take minutes, giving me space to focus on what truly matters." That's the tangible relief we're talking about here, folks. It's not just about the math. It's about reducing your decision fatigue, breaking through those frustrating creative blocks, and actually having the mental space to connect with your clients. Moving on to Section 2, the AI Vocabulary Builder. Let's learn how to speak the language. Okay, now that we've covered the why, let's dive into the how. To use this tool effectively, we've got to speak the language. And again, absolutely zero tech degree required here. The single most important word you need to know is prompt. A prompt is simply the text you type into ChatGPT. It's your request, your question, your command. Think of the prompt as the steering wheel for the AI. If you turn it sharply and with purpose, you're going to get exactly where you want to go. The absolute golden rule here is that the specificity of your prompt dictates the quality of your results. Next up on our vocab list is priming. Priming is basically giving ChatGPT the context it needs about you, your audience, and your tone right at the very beginning of a conversation. Imagine bringing a brand new human intern into your office. You wouldn't just look at them and say, "Write an email." No way. You'd give them a background briefing on what your brand is all about and who exactly you're talking to. Priming is that absolutely critical background briefing for your digital assistant. And lastly, we have tokens. Tokens are literally just the little units that ChatGPT uses to process text. You can think of one token as roughly equal to 4 characters of text. It's just a really helpful term to understand because it explains how the AI actually processes language and how it manages conversation limits, which is super important if you're using the free version that caps your token usage per session. All right, Section 3, Mastering the Perfect Prompt. This right here is the secret to success. Welcome to the masterclass portion of this explainer. Seriously, the difference between getting mediocre, kind of blah AI output and amazing, ready-to-publish business results all comes down to how you ask. I'm going to teach you the exact framework for getting perfect results every single time. I want you to literally memorize the CARE formula, C-A-R-E. C stands for context. Tell the AI exactly who you are and who your audience is. A is for action. Clearly state what you want it to do. R is for requirements. Give it strict rules on format, length, and tone. And E is for examples. Show it what you like or even what you dislike. By using context, action, requirements, and examples, you are handing the AI a flawless blueprint to work from. Let's actually look at this in action. A weak prompt is just typing in, "Give me some social media post ideas." If you do that, you're going to get generic, boring results that could honestly apply to a bakery or a mechanic. But a strong prompt uses that CARE formula we just talked about. It sounds way more like this. I'm a personal stylist for women in their 40s. Create 5 engaging Instagram ideas addressing limited time. Do you see the difference there? We gave it context about the business, an action to create 5 ideas, and requirements about the audience's specific pain points. That completely transforms generic text into highly targeted, usable content. Now, another totally crucial point here is how you frame your questions. Look, ChatGPT is literally designed to be helpful, which actually means it can accidentally turn into a massive yes man, just validating your worst ideas with a smile. So instead of asking for validation like, hey, is starting a kebab shop a good idea? You need to actively pressure test your concepts. Ask it, why might this fail? Use ChatGPT as your own personal strategic sparring partner to rigorously uncover potential pitfalls and vulnerabilities long before the real market punches you in the face. Okay, section 4, advanced AI automation tools. Time to unlock some hidden profits. Now we're really gonna level up. We're taking things from basic text generation to some seriously advanced integrations. These are the hidden gems that can completely automate tedious tasks and unlock major hidden profits for your business. Did you know you can actually build custom software without writing a single line of code? It's true. By integrating an app called Replit with ChatGPT, you can build live applications instantly. You just connect Replit in your settings, start a new session, and literally type out your app idea, like build a simple to-do app, and boom, ChatGPT instantly generates a live interactive app right there in the chat. You can iterate and tweak it in real time just by asking. It is absolutely mind-blowing. Or, maybe you're more of a visual thinker. Well, you can use the whimsical diagrams integration to turn all your complex strategies into incredibly clear, shareable visuals. You just find whimsical in the GPT store, start the chat, and prompt it, saying something like, create a sequence diagram for my client onboarding process. In minutes, it generates a full professional flowchart that you can easily edit and export. It saves you hours of manual design work and helps you visualize your whole system instantly. Section 5, know your AI boundaries. Let's talk about understanding the limits. As absolutely amazing as all this tech is, we do need to be smart and put up some guardrails here. To use this safely and effectively, we have to understand exactly what AI cannot do for you. First off, ChatGPT is not always accurate. It can definitely provide outdated facts or contradictory advice, so always verify your data. It's also not truly creative. It's mostly reformulating existing knowledge. Very importantly, it is not private. Never, ever share sensitive client information or financial details. And most importantly of all, it's not a mind reader, and it is not you. It cannot replace your unique life experiences, your personal perspectives, or the genuine human connections you build with your audience. You are still the director of your business. AI is just your assistant. Finally, Section 6, your first steps today. Let's start your AI journey right now. We have covered a ton of ground today, and I really want to transition you from being just a passive listener into an active, time-saving power user right now. So here is your highly achievable homework assignment for the week. First, I want you to pick just one area where you consistently struggle or spend way too much time. Maybe it's writing weekly emails or brainstorming new content. Second, set aside exactly 30 minutes this week to just sit down and experiment with it. Use the free version, play around, and see what works. Third, apply one new idea using the CARE formula every single week. Oh, and hey, if you're a student watching this explainer, explore some side hustles. You can use these exact same skills for freelance content creation, online tutoring, or YouTube scripting to generate real, actual income without any upfront investment. I want to leave you with this final thought. The businesses that are absolutely going to thrive in the coming years will be the ones that figure out how to skillfully blend human creativity and genuine connection with AI efficiency. So the question is, will that be you? You now have the exact blueprint to start reclaiming your precious time and energy. Don't let the scary tech jargon hold you back for another second. Open up a chat window, introduce yourself to your brand new digital assistant, and start experimenting today. I really can't wait to see what you all create.